Hi everyone! Today we're diving into the UK's top 8 cyber attacks of 2024. Buckle up, because these stories are as shocking as they are enlightening. Shared Services Connected Limited, a contractor for the Ministry of Defence, faced a serious breach when cyber attackers accessed sensitive payroll data. Up to 272,000 current and former British military personnel had their personal and financial information exposed. This incident underscores the importance of stringent cybersecurity practices for government contractors. When dealing with sensitive data, especially involving national security, a multi-layered cybersecurity approach is non-negotiable. CrowdStrike, the cybersecurity giant, found themselves in the hot seat after releasing an update to their Falcon sensor software. Instead of soaring, it sent Microsoft Windows devices into meltdown mode, affecting around 8.5 million devices. This included airlines, banks, hospitals, and public services. The takeaway? Test updates rigorously and have a solid recovery plan, because even the best can stumble. Synovis, a key pathology service provider for NHS England, became the target of a ransomware attack that resulted in a significant data leak. The breach disrupted medical services, causing over 1,100 elective procedures and more than 2,100 outpatient appointments to be rescheduled. Healthcare providers need to prioritize cybersecurity measures as strongly as patient care, given the severe consequences of breaches. Back in February, Southern Water discovered unauthorized access to part of their server estate. Operations and services weren't impacted, but some customers and employees had their personal data exposed. Regular audits and real-time monitoring can help spot these digital leaks before they turn into full-blown data floods. A breach involving national public data exposed a vast amount of personal information over several months, affecting individuals in the UK, US, and Canada. The compromised data set included names, email addresses, phone numbers, social security numbers, and mailing addresses. Global data sharing entities must enforce top-tier security practices to prevent cross-border cyber risks. On September 1st, TfL discovered a significant data breach. Nearly 5,000 customers had their names, contact details, and possibly bank account information accessed. Quick detection and response are vital, and TfL's swift action shows that having an incident response plan is non-negotiable. May half-term turned stressful for the Balerike School when an attack on their IT systems escalated into a critical incident. Sensitive student data, including medical notes and parent contact details, was put at risk. The school had to temporarily close, highlighting the importance of robust cybersecurity plans in education. Schneider Electric reported unauthorized access to one of its internal project tracking platforms. Sensitive employee and customer data were compromised, sparking concerns about the company's internal protocols. No organization, regardless of its expertise, can afford to overlook internal cybersecurity practices. So, what should you do if your data's been compromised? Don't panic. Here's your action plan. Change your passwords, make them as unique as a plot twist in your favorite series. Enable two-factor authentication. It's like adding an extra lock on your door. Monitor your finances. Spot anything odd? Report it ASAP. Stay updated with advice from cybersecurity experts. And for businesses, here are some quick tips. Schedule regular cybersecurity audits. Use advanced monitoring tools. Train your team to spot phishing scams. Implement multi-factor authentication. And remember, a solid backup and disaster recovery plan can make the difference between a slight hiccup and a full-on disaster. With the cybersecurity and resilience bill around the corner, 2024 is proving that preparation isn't just important, it's essential. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.